Hi, I'm Belle English from the Williams-Sonoma Test Kitchen. I'm so excited to show you how to make one of my favorite go-to dishes, braised chicken with potatoes and carrots and a side of sauteed greens. And I'm doing it all in the Williams-Sonoma Thermo-Clad brush cookware collection. This collection was handcrafted in a small factory in Italy, exclusively for Williams-Sonoma, so it feels extra special. And best of all, the new stainless steel brush finish prevents any fingerprints or smudges from being left behind on these pots and pans. Of course, the best way to see what this cookware can do is to see it in action, so let's get cooking. First, I'm gonna season my chicken thighs. I'm going to use the 5-quart essential covered pan. Just turn it on to medium-high heat, add a little olive oil to the pan. This Thermo-Clad cookware is awesome for browning chicken because it heats up evenly and quickly. Now that my oil is hot, I'm gonna season the chicken too with just a little bit of paprika. Add my chicken thighs, skin down. Okay, now that my chicken's been cooking for a few minutes, I'm gonna flip it. And see how nice and beautiful that browning is? Okay, once the chicken has a little color on the other side, I'm gonna remove it from the pan and just place it on a clean plate. I'm gonna reduce the heat a little bit and add my red onion to the pan. Season with a little salt. Add a little fresh chopped thyme. Then I'm gonna add the rest of my vegetables. Red potatoes and some carrots. And then I'm gonna add a little flour and just give that a stir to coat all the vegetables. Great, now that my vegetables have kind of all come together and been cooking for a little bit, I'm gonna add a splash of vermouth. Ooh, watch that sizzle. Once that cooks down for just a minute, we're gonna add a little stock. Now I'm just gonna bring this to a light simmer over some medium-low heat, where I'm gonna return the chicken back to the pot. You'll see I'm making sure not to cover the chicken skin. This way, during the cooking process, that chicken skin will stay super crispy, which in my opinion is really the only way to eat chicken in the first place. So I'm just gonna nestle these in here. Now that everything's in my pot, I'm just gonna grab the lid and throw it on here. This lid is double wall insulated, so it will keep your food hot, but won't get too hot on the stove top so that you can't even pick it up. While our chicken is braising, I'm gonna saute some quick greens. So once my oil is heated up a bit, I'm just gonna add the greens, season it with a little S&P. Just give it a quick stir. And while those are going, I'm gonna toast some breadcrumbs. Now that these are nice and tender and wilted, we're gonna turn down the heat a little bit. Should we check on our chicken, see what's happening in here? Ooh, it's looking so good. Now that everything's ready, let's eat. I'm gonna add our greens, sprinkle it with some of our toasty breadcrumbs. And last but not least, the chicken. I'm gonna use a spoon to get some of those good brothy vegetables down there. A little fresh parsley. And just like that, we have an entire meal from protein to potatoes to greens in just under an hour. To learn more about the Thermo-Clad brush cookware collection and get the recipe, head to williamssonoma.com.